Hi, I am Hannah, enrollment number 27, along with my team members. So, we all are here to introduce and demonstrate our project. So, considering today's technology and vast features available in computer vision, we have came across an innovative idea of enabling human computer interaction using gestures. So, moving back to decades where people used to use button phones. But now we all have shifted to screen touch phones. So, this vast change shows how the world is continuously changing and evolving. So, following this trend of evolution, we have came across hand gesture technology. Such kind of technology helps us in providing a way to enhance natural and seamless communication with computer. So our project is named as AeroMotion based on computer vision, containing three different modules.
Hello, I'm Prapti Gandhi, enrollment number 9. Our first module is virtual mouse. With the help of virtual mouse, one can perform basic functionalities of a computer mouse using hand gestures like controlling the cursor, left click, right click, double click, dragging, and dropping. So, which gestures perform which functionality? Here is the documentation image. Let's start the module. For controlling the cursor, I'm using index finger. For right click, I'm using middle finger. For double click, I'm using pinky finger. For dragging, I'm using fist.
So the second module we have is Magic Canvas. We also have a guide for new users. So these are the hand gestures and along with their functions, and we also have a shapes and how to draw them. Next, back to screen, let's start the module. So we have two canvas here. First is black canvas and then we have a canvas with camera. Next, we have four shape option here. First is freehand drawing, line, square and a circle. Four color options, that is blue, green, brown and white. Three thickness options along with eraser and a text box. We also have three features. First is adding an image to canvas. Next is clear canvas and save your work. So let's start with shapes. First, if I want to draw a circle, I'll select circle, the color I want and the thickness. This is the initial point, end point of circle. Next, if I want to draw a square, I'll select square, color and start. This is initial point and this is a starting point. This is ending point. I'll clear the canvas now. Next, for a line, I'll select green color and largest thickness. So this is the initial point and this is the end point. Clearing canvas. Freehand drawing option. Go with green. We also have a text box option here. If I'll click text box, I can enter any text here and click on add. Can you see the text here? If I want to change the position of my text, simply drag. First we need to grab the text, next drop it. Next, if I want to add image, can you see the image? Mm, and add it. So by default color is white, therefore the text is in white color. I can also change the color of text by selecting any color that I want and then going on text box. So I'll drop it here. Okay. Next, if I want to save my work, I'll go to save and click on save button. So that's all about the Magic Canvas. I hope you liked it and thank you so much.
So moving ahead to our next module named Gesture Sync, which is about controlling your basic screen operations using hand gestures. It can also help you to operate your screen from a specific distance. So now this is the documentation section which contains all the gestures which will help you to operate and control the screen. Moving back to the demonstration part, let's start the module. This block of the screen will control the right hand gestures and this block of the screen will control the left hand gestures. So for controlling the brightness of the screen, you just need to vary the distance between your little finger and thumb. So accordingly, it can change the brightness of the screen as you can see. For increasing or decreasing the volume of your screen, you just need to change the distance between your index finger and thumb. Accordingly, you can see that it is changing or decreasing the volume. Now the peace out sign will help you to capture the screenshot of your screen, which will trigger your snipping tool. These were the gestures which will be operated in the right part of the screen. Now moving ahead to the left section of the screen, this section is basically for controlling the gestures of media player. Like you can pause your media, rewind your media, seek your media for 5 or 10 seconds by performing the gestures. So for pausing or playing the video or playing any media, you can use the peace out symbol. For pausing and playing, both of the operations can be performed using one gesture. So let's see with the help of an example. This will help you to pause or play your video. So when I perform the peace out sign, it will pause or accordingly play the video, as you can see it. So moving ahead, with the help of this gesture, you can take your media 5 or 10 seconds forward. So when I point my thumb towards right side, then it will seek the media forward for 5 seconds. Dive right in. I found a girl. I never. Now pointing the same finger, same thumb of your left hand towards the left side can seek the media backward for 5 seconds, as you can see it. Moving ahead to the next gesture, both of these gestures can help to control your media as well as you can control your browser. So with the help of this gesture, you can simply go to your next browsing page, and with the help of this gesture, you can simply move to your previously browsed web page. So let's see an example. So when I point my thumb towards right side, then it will open the next browsing page. And accordingly, when I point my thumb towards the left side, then it will open my previously browsed page. Now you can also directly open your desktop, like if you want to shift to desktop, instead of minimizing the window, you can just put your thumbs down. It will open the desktop. So this was the module of gesture sync, through which you can control your screen with the help of your hands, and you can perform these actions by at a considerable distance. So bye, thanks for now.